Occupational therapy is a very rewarding profession in which you will make a difference to people's quality of life. By working with service users, for example, teaching them new ways to do things, identifying specialist equipment and assistive technology, or making changes in their environment, occupational therapists enable people with a diverse range of needs to live their lives to the fullest.
We are helping people by supporting them regain sense of independence by re-engaging in the activities of daily living.
And I really think occupational therapy has a unique way of looking at an individual holistically, so I was really drawn to the person-centred nature of the profession.
We are the only UK university campus to share a site with a major teaching hospital, St George's University Hospital's NHS Foundation Trust, which is both on the clinical front line for a diverse local community and a centre of excellence for specialist conditions.
There are wonderful international team and teaching team. As an international student, I am reassured by the comprehensive, and it's already like my second home after I came to the UK for less than a year.
On our occupational therapy degrees, learning is very much hands-on.
Developing your communication skills and preparing you for practice, initially in our simulated environments, including our dedicated Art of Living suite, and subsequently on practice placements in an array of different settings.
The course has prepared me for my career by giving me a really good theoretical background and practical background to occupational therapy.
Our programmes are accredited by the Health and Care Professions Council, HCPC, and Royal College of Occupational Therapists, RCOT, meaning you'll be eligible to register for professional practice in the UK on successful completion of our course.
Our courses are World Federation of Occupational Therapists approved, meaning that your qualification is also recognized globally, opening up exciting opportunities to work overseas.